So, revisit lang natin to GL Grandia, guys, ha. Yan, currently this month of September 2025 is maraming units right now. So, I highly suggest mag-avail na tayo. Huwag na tayo magdalawang isip, guys. So, yan. Meron tayong fold and retract for the side mirror. Then, of course, ito yung classic joystick for left and right. Central lock ng doors. Dalawang control for the window. This is for the driver's side and the front passenger. Alright. Central lock ng windows. So, maganda dito kay GL is check nyo itong side mirrors. Okay. So, dito makikita nyo yung gulong eh. Especially pag nagpa-park kayo, para makita nyo yung gutter kung sasayad na yung mugs nyo. By the way, naka-mugs to, of course, being the GL Grandia. Right? So, ang mug size ito is 16, two-tone design. So, by the way, itong GL is two-tone design siya. Meron siyang gold and under. Right? So, yan. So, dito sa left side, sa driver's side, wala tayong opening. Okay? So, mostly sa Elite lang yan, yung dalawang opening, left and right. Pero dito ang GL is one lang ano natin. Then, pwede itong i-open, ha? Right? Ganda. Nice. So, let's go inside. Balikan ko lang tong door panel, ha? Meron tong cup holder extended. Right? So, manual adjust yung seat natin. Okay. So, by the way, nandito yung battery natin, oh. Guys, ito yung opening. Kita nyo yung battery symbol yan. Okay. So, let's go inside. Right. So, dito meron tayong cursor dito. Okay. And volume control for this. Ingay lang sa labas, grabe, ang daming release right now. So, going back, ito meron tayong voice command. Volume controls. This one is the cursor and the enter button. Then back button, answer call. Okay. Then meron tayong cruise control. Yan, ito yung pang set ng speed. Then the cancel. Then usually ito, sa mga vlogs ko and everything, nandito pa rin lagi ang shortcut natin, yung mode button. Maganda yan. Of course, yan yung shortcut kasi while driving ka, okay, so pwede ka mag-cycle here. Yan. Para mapalitan mo tong station, AM, FM, yan, Bluetooth. So, ito yung shortcut button mo. Okay. So, yan. Then, ito yung design ng speedometer niya. Meron tayong maliit na LCD. Then, the rest is analog. Alright. So, ito yung side panel niya. Of course, dito sa ilalim is yung gas and hood. Then, meron tayong cup holder here. Nice. Yan, ito, na-discuss ko to sa mga vlogs ko. If you're wondering about this is, ito yung mga abang. Alright? So, just in case if you want to upgrade your GL Grandia, pwede ba i-set dito yung mga buttons. Okay? Yan, ganda. So, this is the hazard button. Unfortunately, hindi ko lang to inon na kasi showroom display to, guys. And this is the thermostat. Okay? Ito yung fan blower control. Ito yung airflow, kung saan mo gustong bumugay yung hangin, of course. Traction control. Ito, push button to, guys, ha? Air circulation. Right? And then, ito yung design ng shift knob niya. So, merong press button here. So, we have here the park, reverse, neutral, drive. And by the way, meron itong Tiptronic. Meron siyang plus minus. Wala lang siyang paddle shift, pero pwede mo na i-plus minus dito. Right? So, very ideal yan pagka akyatan. Or just in case namimiss mo lang talaga yung manual transmission feel. And, meron tayong control here for the rear cooler. So, pwede mo na siya i-off dito. 'Di ba? At least hindi ka napupunta sa likod. 'Di ba? Dito, pwede mo na siya kontrolin. And, ito yung indicator ng light niya. Light indicator. Of course, meron tayong secret pocket here. Ito, pupush mo lang siya. Okay, galing, 'di ba? Nice. So, that's the pocket. And under is, meron tayo dito. Okay. May mga lagayan pa dito. Nandito lang nakalagay yung tow hook. Okay. Yan. Nice. So, ito ang itsura na center pocket niya. Ito yung tray niya eh. Actually, dito may dalawang cup holder pa. Then, ito yung design ng tray niya. Malaki. Ito yung kamay ko. So, yan. Yung size niya. So, to open it, yeah. So, meron tray. Okay, ito, removable siya. Pero meron tray dyan. So, pwede dyan. Para, just in case gusto mo dyan, maglagay. Then, ang lalim nitong pocket na sa gitna. Oh. Kita nyo? So, nasa siko ko na. Yung lalim, Ito, kita nyo. So, yan. Ang ganda. Actually, kasya dito yung sapatos nyo. Sa sobrang laki. Okay. So, yeah. And of course, classic handbrake tayo. Yan. Ganda. So, actually, sa classic handbrake, walang kaduda-duda. Iaangat mo lang siya. Walang tinginan kahit nakatingin ka sa kalsada. Grab ka lang. Then, handbrake ka na. Then, meron tayong parking assist. Parking sensor. Yan. So, added safety feature yan. Yan, kapag ka nagpa-park ka, dahil meron siyang mga added sensor around. Okay? Yan. So, that's the parking sensor. Right? So, dito meron tayo sa passenger side na to. Ito yung classic power supply. Yung pang lighter dati. And, okay. Yan. Very spacious to. Pailalim siya guys Yan, kita nyo. Pailalim ang design niya. Okay, and that's the design sa passenger side. And by the way, leather seats to. Yan, with beige accent. And kita nyo, may mga stitching siya Okay. Very nice. So, yan, design niya. Okay. So, going back sa headliner, meron tayo dito na lagayan ng salamin. Of course. And lit function, ayan, itong ilaw sa left and right. Door function, kapag may nakabukas sa pinto, iilaw and just lit. Ayan. Alright. Check nga natin kung may mirrors. Oh, no. Walang mirrors. Pero ang lapad nito, Okay. So, wala tayong mirror. Alright. Pati sa passenger side, wala din tayong mirror. And, yun na yata everything. So, punta na tayo sa second row, guys. So, guys, ito, nirevisit ko lang tong GL Grandia. Pero I have already video for this just because of these pilot seats. Captain seats pala. So, these are customized. So, dalawang captain seats siya. So, ang price range niya currently is 120,000. So, supposed to be row seats to ang GL Grandia. Just like this on the third row. Yan, alright, kita nyo. So, meron tayong option for this. Yan. Na, mapakustomize natin going to these two captain seats. Yan, natras ko lang guys. So, very nice. Para sa mga clients natin na hindi na makapag-antay sa Super Grandia leather or any Grandia with captain seats. So, magandang alternative to. Alright. So guys, ito yung design ng aircon vent niya. Ito merong speaker here. Nice. And ang dami na. 1, 2, 3, and 4 aircon vents. Then, ito merong speaker here. Alright. So, ito merong panel. Yan. Off button. Cool. Ito yung fan level blower niya. So, ito yung para humina. Ito para mas lumakas. Yan. So, pakita ko lang yung view Nice. Alright. So, maganda rin dito kasi sa GL, pwede mo naman ipa-upgrade yung interior nito. Depende sa preference mo. Okay. So, yan yung look ng dashboard niya. Nice. So, may pagka-seasonal ang supply nito sa Pinas, Suggestion ko, once na may available, i-grab nyo na. Huwag na kayong magdalawang isip. So, ito yung na-mention ko kanina na meron tayong cup holder. Nice. So, guys, yan. Up close, this is the modified, upgraded captain seats. Okay? Ito, nandito ako sa isang side sa inuupuan, pero ito pinapakita ko lang itong isang modified captain seats. Alright? So, elevated siya. Guys, kita nyo dito. Yan meron ditong dinagdag para ma-elevate itong captain seat. So, hindi talaga captain seat ang GL Grandia. Alright? So, modified to. Just like I mentioned. Okay? Papakita ko lang tong third row. So, yan na-design to. Nakita nyo para makadaan papunta sa likod. Okay? So, actually yan, retractable yan kasi yan, mayroong screw na pwede nyo tanggalin to. Okay? And, yan. Alright. So, actually, dun sa last row is kaya ng 4. Alright. Kita ko lang yung last row. Yan. So, ito, naka-retract yung isa. Then, yung isa is naka-fold. Yan. So, very spacious yan. Okay? Para sa mga luggages. Very nice. Ganda. Then, ayan meron tayong yan, cabin light sa last row. Right. Nice. And dito, of course, meron din cabin light. And speakers. Okay. Yan. Nice. So, papakita ko lang yung likod. Alright? So, pakita ko tong pinakalikod, guys. Right. Oops. Ay, sorry. So, this is yan, kita nyo siya pag naka-fold. Alright. So, sinasabit siya dito Okay. Then, ayan, naglalak siya dito sa mga steel na to. Okay. So, ayan yung design niya. And ito naman pag nakababa. Okay. So, ulitin ko lang, this September, marami tayong supply nito. Right? Unahan to, guys, Hindi laging merong supply nito. Right? Nice. So, iikutan natin ngayon tong GL Grandia. So, ikutan natin, simulan natin in front. Nice. So, this is the GL. Right? So, ikutan natin, guys. So, in front, ito yung nakita nyo kanina sa dashboard. This is part of the sensor. Right? The parking sensor. And, ito yung fog lights natin. Nice. So, two-tone design to, like I mentioned kanina. Solid. And of course, two-tone mugs. Ang laki ng ilaw nito, guys. So, here, chrome accent. The Toyota emblem. Okay. Nice. So, sa side mirror, meron tayo integrated signal light. Right? Like yung na-mention ko kanina, meron to extended side mirror para makita nyo yung gutter. And especially, very helpful yan kapag magpa-park kayo para hindi sumayad yung side. Especially yung gulong. Yan. So, this is the design of the door handle. Yan. Ganda. And, yan. Smooth. Ganda. So, apat yung backing sensors nito, guys, ha. Meron isa dito, then dalawa dito, then isa dito. Yan. Of course, being the GL is meron tong backing camera. Hindi mawawala yan, guys. Kita nyo? Right? Ang laki nung wiper niya sa likod, oh. Ayan, hanggang dito. Laki. Ayan. Alright. So, yeah. This is the GL Grandia. Automatic. So guys, kung may pinaplan kayong trade-in, we accept trade-in here, of course. Most of the brands sinatanggap namin for trade-in. Pero, advice muna kayo, at least pwede ko kayong bigyan ng quick appraisal for this, for your unit, of course. Para hindi naman kayo magulat pagdating nyo dito. Pero of course, please manage your expectation. Nakatipid din yan sa condition ng unit nyo. Of course, sa year model. Punta kayo dito sa showroom para mag-meet tayo. Okay. So, this is again the GL Grandia. Meron pa akong isang vlog for this. And, bye. Thanks.